Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Today, we're talking about key fob battery replacements. That's right. How do we get these key fobs back up and running? Pretty simple. I've got two key fobs here. Both of these are Chrysler or Mopar style key fobs. You'll need a battery. In this case, it's a CR2032 and a penny. That's right, just 1 penny. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take your key fob and we're gonna locate this tiny little slot right here. You're gonna take your coin, place it into the slot, and twist. That'll separate the clamshell. Separate these two pieces carefully, and you'll see on one side the battery, and on the other side a circuit board. So the battery is held in by two little clips. You may need to use a small tool or a coin to pull the battery out. Reverse the steps to reassemble. Keep in mind there's a tiny little plus sign underneath that battery compartment and there's one on top of the battery. Make sure it's plus to plus, or the plus side down. Simply press the two parts of the key back together. For this style, it's a little bit different. We're going to press this little button and we're going to pull out this emergency key. If you didn't know this key was there, surprise. Place that off to the side. Now take your coin and locate that small slot and twist. Now there was a slot that the key came out of, it's the one next to that. Again, you'll see the circuit board on one side and the battery on the other. For this, I'm going to use the end of that emergency key to pull the battery out. Reverse the steps to reassemble. Place the clamshells together, press, you may hear a click. And replace the key. And now you're off to the races. Thanks for stopping by. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and please subscribe to the channel so we can continue making this awesome content. See you in the garage.